Imagine a world where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea can be transformed into a visual masterpiece. Today, let's dive into the fascinating realm of animation, specifically how to create a captivating 2-minute animated video for YouTube. First, let's talk about the power of storytelling. Every great video starts with a compelling narrative. Think about the message you want to convey. Is it educational, inspirational, or perhaps a bit of both? Craft a concise script that captures your audience's attention from the very first line. Remember, clarity is key. Use simple language and relatable examples to ensure your viewers stay engaged. Next, consider your visuals. Animation is all about bringing your story to life. Choose a style that complements your narrative. Whether it's 2D, 3D, or stop motion, the visuals should enhance your message, not overshadow it. Use vibrant colors and dynamic movements to keep the energy high. Each frame should serve a purpose, guiding the viewer through your story seamlessly. Now let's discuss pacing. In a 2-minute video, every second counts. Aim for a rhythm that matches the tone of your content. Quick cuts can build excitement, while slower transitions can create moments of reflection. Balance is essential. You want to maintain momentum without overwhelming your audience. Sound design plays a crucial role as well. A well-chosen soundtrack can elevate your animation, setting the mood and reinforcing your message. Consider adding sound effects to emphasize key moments, like a swoosh when a character makes a dramatic move or a soft chime during a heartfelt moment. These auditory cues can significantly enhance the viewer's experience. Don't forget about the importance of branding. Incorporate your logo and consistent color schemes throughout the video to create a cohesive look. This not only reinforces your identity, but also helps build recognition among your audience. Finally, always remember to include a call to action. Encourage viewers to like, subscribe, or share your video. This not only boosts engagement, but also fosters a sense of community around your content. Creating a 2-minute animated video for YouTube is an exciting journey. With a strong narrative, captivating visuals, thoughtful pacing, and engaging sound design, you can craft a piece that resonates with viewers and leaves a lasting impression. So, unleash your creativity and start animating.